Hi, this is Rob with Mechana Media. I'm going to go over some shortcut buttons on the Nokia 3310 mobile phone. First, we have these three big buttons up top. The left big button, a center button, and a right big button. The left and right big button are broken down into a top portion and a bottom portion. In the center button, you have this ring around it. It helps you, if you press up top of the ring, you can move up. You press on the bottom of the ring, you move down. Press to the left of the ring, you move left. Press to the right of the ring, you move right. The first shortcut button is to turn on the light of the phone. To do that, tap twice here on the top of the center ring. There you go, the light is on. This light is also the flash for the phone. To turn off the light, just tap once on the top of the center ring. The next shortcut button is to start a new message. Press the left part of the center ring to start a new message. Press down on the bottom center ring to quickly go to your contacts. Press on the right center ring to quickly go to your calendar. Press on the bottom of the big left button to quickly view your calls. Go to the top of the big left button to go to your go-to list. Your go-to list is completely customizable. You can place items on here to quickly go to areas of the phone you want to go to. You could also order the items from top to bottom the way you want to. I have a video on how to customize your go-to list. Press and hold the number 1 button for 3 to 5 seconds and it will quickly take you to your voicemail box. Press the bottom of the big right button and you can quickly adjust the volume of your phone, turn on or off Bluetooth, or completely turn off your phone. Press the 0 button down here and it'll take you to the internet. Press and hold the pound key on the bottom right to silence your phone. Your phone will be silent but will vibrate if you get a call. To unsilence your phone, press and hold the pound key again. Okay, that is it. Those are some shortcut keys for the Nokia 3310 2017 mobile phone. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to this channel.